Felt like the dramatic chair, deserved a dramatic role. I've always I guess every kid always wanted to be like a super agent, so kind of got to do that for like a little bit. With the briefcase, it looks like it belongs in like a Bond movie. So Intel sent this to us. It's for their Extreme Rig Challenge. They also sent me a page of instructions. I've never been that good at instructions, so we're gonna do it live and see what we got in here. So there's a 3-digit code, which I need to unlock the case. I'm gonna assume it's in the envelope marked Extreme Rig Challenge. Extreme Rig Challenge, all about it. People are competing. They get a chance to show off at PAX March 12th, and the unlock code is 777. So let's go ahead and open this sucker up and see what we got. 77. Hopefully nothing's gonna blow up on us here. Oh, that felt good. Doo-doo-doo. All right. I've got the sucker opened up. As I have my all access pass to PAX East, so I can go and check out the Extreme Rig Challenge. I've got a PAX East shirt, so I can, I don't know, sleep in it. I've got Zero Halliburton for the case, user instructions, and a lot of user instructions for the case. That's probably not that important. Here's the exciting stuff. Here's the Intel Core i7 unlocked, and we did one of these in the past. And when we did it in the past, we touched the pins. So I am not going to touch the pins on this guy, but you can see, let me get it ready static. There it is, in all its glory and fastness. The i7-7700K looks like a beast. It's 7th gen Kaby Lake processor. It's got a clock speed of 4.2 gigahertz with 4.5 gigahertz turbo boost, 8 megabytes cache. You can overclock that thing. If you care about the benchmarks, which I probably do, it's got 28% faster speeds than the last gen, and it's about $350 when I looked it up online. The SSD is a 600p series. We've got one that's 1 terabyte. Crazy fast. It's 3 times faster than SATA SSDs. It's got built-in 3D NAND technology, crazy fast read speeds at 1800 megabytes per second, and about 560-ish on the right side. And this is the small M.2 form factor. And also, when I looked it up online, it looks like it's about $350 as well. So the whole idea behind this is people are competing to build the ultimate gaming rig, and they're gonna be crowning the winners at PAX East. There are 12 system builders that are competing. You guys can vote if you'd like to. The public's gonna decide which 7 teams get to go to PAX East to unveil their rigs in March. You can also get involved in the contest by casting a vote. We'll put all the information down below in case you want to cast your vote, but you just use the hashtag Rig Challenge Sweepstakes. You can vote up to 1 time per day through March 11th. So if you want to build your own computer, you've always wanted to build your own computer, you've admired people that have always built their own computer, you should vote and get involved in this contest. It's pretty cool. Go to rigchallenge.intel.com and get voting, because it's a cool thing to do. And you can show me how to build the best computer. So I'm going to do it. It's going to be awesome. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know down below what other components you think I should use. If you have any suggestions, I appreciate it. Cases, be sure to have notifications turned on so you know when new videos are coming. Give the video a thumbs up because you are an awesome person. And I will see you guys in the next video.